Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to flip camera while recording on iPhone in 2025. So I will be just open my camera. I will just move in video. So right now there is no option to flip back. So right now there is no option. I will just show you how it's possible to flip camera while recording. Open your app store, and when it's open, so you will just download like time stamp basic camera. So I will just already download it, and you will just open it simply. So I will be on a video, and here you will see the top left corner is option, and I will just show you how it's work. Now I will be just tap on it in the top left corner. So in this way you will be just a flip camera while recording on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.